Can I retrieve a message that I previously archived in Messenger?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about an essential feature of Facebook Messenger, retrieving archived messages. We all have those moments where we clean up our inbox and accidentally archive some important messages. But don't worry, these messages are not lost. You can retrieve them, and I'm here to show you how.
What does it mean to archive a message?
Archiving a message in Messenger means you are moving it out of your inbox and into a separate, archived, folder. Unlike deleting, archiving does not remove the message or conversation from the Messenger system. It just hides it from your inbox until you restore it.
How can I find my archived messages on Messenger?
Here's how you can find your archived messages. First, open your Messenger app and navigate to the chat screen. Next, tap on your profile picture in the upper left corner to open the settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down until you find the option Archived Chats. Tap on it and voila! All your archived messages will be displayed there.
How can I retrieve my archived messages from Messenger?
Now, the big question: how to retrieve these archived messages? Well, it's simple. Inside the Archived Chats screen, just tap on the conversation that you want to retrieve. This action will open the chat. You can now send a new message in this chat. Once you do this, the conversation will automatically move back to your primary chats list. Remember, any new messages from this person or group will also appear in your main chats list, unarchiving the entire conversation. There you have it. Now you know how to retrieve an archived message in Facebook Messenger. Don't worry about archiving important messages, as you can always bring them back when needed. I hope this guide was helpful and clears up any confusion. Stay organized and keep chatting.